अपनी कमजोरियों को न समझो ताकील, अपनी कमजोरियों को न समझो ताकील, हस्बुनल्लाहु व निअमल वकील। तुम करते रहो मेहनत और रखो खुदा पर यकीन, तुम करते रहो मेहनत और रखो खुद पर यकीन, इन्नल्लाह मअ साबिरीन। संभालो खुद को, नहारो हिम्मत, अब मंजिल है करीब। संभालो खुद को, नहारो हिम्मत, अब मंजिल है करीब। नस्र मिनल्लाह व फतहुन करीब। Now, to preside this function, we have a stalwart whose legacy in education echoes the ideals of the late Dr. Mumtaz Ahmad Khan. Let's applaud Janab Umar Ismail Khan, Sahab, Honor Secretary, GIET, to torch bearer of the alumni movement for his presidential remarks. Please, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Nahamadu wa nasalli ala Rasulil Kareem. Respected Dr. N.S. Kumar Sahab, Dr. Nagbhushan G.R. Sahab, Dr. Gurumati G.R. Sir, A.O. Ejaz Ahmad Sahab, and Dr. Dilshad Begum, staff, students, and parents. Congratulations on your graduation day. It's a very small percentage of Indians who graduate. You are one of them, especially in engineering. So it's a great day today for all of you all. It is a landmark day in your life. Congratulations once again. Today, I came this morning and I was waiting for the chief guest. And see the principal men that we have today, our chief guest and his brother. They were in the office by 10 a.m. Generally, people come little later and the program starts late. They were there much before time. At 10 a.m. I was so surprised that they're so punctual. And because they came on time, the function started on time, and all of you all were here. Valuing somebody else's time is punctuality. To be punctual not only is to be on time, is to value the time of others as well. So always, this is a lesson we learned today on punctuality. So please be punctual. Take this lesson home today. Always be punctual, value others, value your time, value other people's time. As I sat with sir, there is another saying which we say about keeping a company of good people. Sohbat ka asar. When I was talking to them, I learned so many things. He said that he was working in Indian Institute of Science, which has a 500 acres campus in Bangalore, started during the Maharajas of Mysore time in Bangalore. How it came about? He said Dr. Swami Vivekananda ji and J.R.D. Tata, Jamshedji Tata, they were on the same ship towards London, and I think Swamiji was going to US. And then they used to meet in the evenings because it's a long journey by ship. So they had many days together. So in the evening they used to walk together. So finally, when the J.R.D. Tata Sahab asked Swami Vivekananda, what can I do for the country? He said, set up a research center. In 1880s, can you imagine the outlook, the foresight of the Swami to ask for a research center in India? Then J.R.D. came back, spoke to the Maharaja of Mysore, got a grant of 500 acres of land in the heart of Bangalore. Then he wrote to the Viceroy at that time, and that Viceroy didn't agree. Why research center India? Why do you need a research center India? And he rejected it. Then he waited for the next Viceroy to come, then they got it sanctioned. And that is how the Indian Institute of Science has built up. See noble people, as Sir said in his speech, what he said was, politics with principles, science without humanities, education without character, commerce without morality. Those were the days when commerce was full of morals. Imagine a businessman who had to only make money, and he sat with a saint, and he gave the advice, and they came and started Indian Institute of Science. This is how great people think and great ideas come in. You heard about the LCA. I was very impressed when I heard about the light combat aircraft and the lightning, that there are so many components of an aircraft, so many things that go into an aircraft. And you should know that last function, 2 days back, college day, my brother-in-law, Mr. Tanvir, had come here as a chief guest. He supplies equipment for the satellites in ISRO. He goes to the US, to Japan, and he gets those components that are required for satellites which are launched from ISRO. So this gentleman, he showed about the light combat aircraft and the lightning, high voltage, how high voltage engineering is so important. It was an eye opener for me. 300 ampere power. Can you imagine 300 amperes of electric power? Those electrical engineers understand the kind of power that they generate in their generators. I think I was when I too studied in BMS College Engineering, the same batch, same year. Same college from where sir has come. I was born in 1972, and he became an engineer in 1964. Right, sir? You passed out. Passed out in sir passed out as an engineer in 69, and I was born in 1972. So you can imagine the contribution, the knowledge. So it has much ahead of us in science and technology and the contribution. Now, dear students, and address to you, as you pass out, and I see many of my students passing out, my advice to you is patience. Be patient. Everyone has a different career graph. All of you all won't go the same way, but all of you all will reach to the conclusion. All of you all will reach the same place. So there's no, don't get worried when somebody is doing better than you. Eventually, you will all be there. You have seen the last about 10 days back, on the 24th, I think we had alumni meet, and the 80 batch came here. So all of them are there. They have all achieved. Some have become very rich. Some have not made so much money, but all of them are content. All of them have families, settled down, had children. All of them have reached the goals that every man would like to reach. The same thing with you all also. Some will go to the US, other countries, and do something else. Some will be here. They'll do other businesses. Eventually, after 25, 30 years of your life, you will have achieved the same thing. So nothing to worry. Be patient, be calm, and everything will fall in line. But always have good character. That is most important. Also, I think for so many years I come here for so many functions. This audience today is the most well-mannered audience I have seen. Throughout, you all have sat quietly. You have come earlier than time. Many times I've seen when the function starts, people are walking in one by one. You all have come earlier and sat and listened very patiently to what everyone has said. It has made me feel very proud, and I'm very happy with this behavior. Thank you very much for that. The next 25 years of your life are the most important. See, when I was young, my father used to say, finish 10th standard. That's most important. You get good well. After 10th, he said, second PUC is a life changer. You do get good marks in second PUC. Then after second PUC, degree, you get degree, we won't say anything. Your life is free. So that's not this. It doesn't end here. Your degree, the next 25 years, I'm saying, that's the most important part of your life. In these 25 years, you will have to marry, you have to set up a business, or get a good job, have children. By the time you are 50, 55, either one parent might pass away, or both might pass away, or more will be alive. All this will happen in your age between 25 and 50. Okay. Then your children, if you marry early and have children early, by the time you are 50, your children will be either adults or teenagers. Either they will be 21 or 15, 16. So better to do things on time. Don't delay anything. Some people say, no, I have to earn so much money, I have to get this kind of job, only then I will marry, and then I will have children later. And all that should not happen. Everything should happen on time. Marry in time, have children in time. So by the time you are 50, 55, your children are adults, then you can have peace of mind. This is how people have planned. This is how our philosophers, the thinkers, the great thinkers in India, they have decided like this. 25 years, brahmachari, that is, then after that, whatever family life, then after that, 25, relax. Then after 75, get cut off from society, gradually start serving, and be prepared to meet your creator. This is how life goes. This is life cycle. So this is also this part, 25 to 50, most important part of your life. Have good character, eat good food, exercise regularly, and work very hard. Be realistic in your goals. Your parents have funded your education so far. Don't trouble them anymore. Some students come to me, some ridiculous people. I sit in alumni scholarship time and committee, and I give most of time spent in giving scholarships. With great difficulty, one girl or some student, many of them, happens very often, they finish BBA. BBA is about 50,000 per year. The fees we sponsor some part of it, somehow they finish. Then again they come and say, sir, what? I want to do MBA. How much one MBA, man? 1,60,000 per year. Hey, you struggle to pay 50,000 a year. You came and told your father is a watchman, your father is a driver, your mother is a housemaid, and all that difficulty you got BBA. Why don't you start earning and supporting your family? When you have money, then you earn. Be realistic. So, you are, if those of you who are very fast, financially sound, study as much as you want, as long as their parents can take up. But those of you who have some financial problem at home, start earning, start contributing to your parents. BE is a good degree. It's most people have this degree. Most people don't have this degree. You have the degree enough to earn, and you can start earning and contributing to your life. Don't trouble your parents. Some people are there, sir. I want to start a big industry. So whatever property there, we want to take a loan. Your father has built. Your grandfather have built property. It's so much effort. You want to take a loan on that property and develop some business. Don't do all those things. Don't trouble them. Have your own money. Don't harass your parents anymore. They've done most for you. Now it's your turn to give back to them. Okay, and be in touch with your friends. I studied in BMS, as I said, 90 batch, and then again, we all, lost contact with our friends because we are so busy in our lives and setting things in order. Now, after we turn 50, again we want to contact those friends, get back. Now we have got a WhatsApp group, old friends, we are contacting them from all over. Now we want to meet often and that kind of thing. So all of y'all, maybe you'll get busy, but keep in touch. These friends that you have made in these 4 years, these are the friends which will last you a lifetime. You'll have mutual respect and love in these friends. So keep in touch with your friends. The college now is in good hands. You will see our principal very efficient, very active, always having good ideas. Our AO is supporting him very well. Ejaz Ahmed. All the staff and principal and support staff all are working in tandem, working together. So the institution is good hands. I congratulate all of you for your hard work and everything.
गौसिया कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग रामनगर में ग्रेजुएशन डे 2025 का शानदार इनाकात। गौसिया कॉलेज ने मुल्क को दिए मजीद 200 से जायद इंजीनियर्स। जी हां दोस्तों, ये तारीखी मंजर आप देख रहे हैं गौसिया कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग के ग्रेजुएशन डे का। 1980 में कायम गौसिया कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग ने साल 2025 में मजीद 200 से जायद इंजीनियर्स इस मुल्क को दिए हैं। दोस्तों, साल 2021-2025 की बैच ने कामयाबी के साथ इंजीनियरिंग कोर्स मुकम्मल किया और अपनी जिंदगी के खूबसूरत लम्हात गौसिया कैंपस रामनगरम में गुजारे और अब अपने करियर की नई मंजिलों, नई बुलंदियों को छूने के लिए ये उभरते हुए इंजीनियर तैयार हैं। 2 जून 2025 बरोज पीर गौसिया कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग के वसी वारिस कैंपस में ग्रेजुएशन डे की तकरीब मुनक़द हुई। रियासत कर्नाटक के 2 मशहूर इंजीनियर्स जो आपस में भाई हैं, इस ग्रेजुएशन डे के चीफ गेस्ट थे। इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस और इसरो से वाबस्ता रहे डॉक्टर GR नागभूषण और गौसिया कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग व दीगर इदारों से वाबस्ता रहे डॉक्टर GR गुरुमूर्ति ग्रेजुएशन डे 2025 के चीफ गेस्ट थे। डॉक्टर नागभूषण ने अपने मैसेज में कहा कि पॉलिटिक्स विदाउट प्रिंसिपल, साइंस विदाउट ह्यूमैनिटी, एजुकेशन विदाउट कैरेक्टर, कॉमर्स विदाउट मॉरलिटी इज वेरी वेरी डेंजरस टू सोसाइटी। इंजीनियरिंग की डिग्री मुकम्मल करने वाले स्टूडेंट से नागभूषण ने इंसानियत का, ह्यूमैनिटी का पैगाम दिया। अल अमीन एजुकेशनल सोसाइटी के चेयरमैन और गौसिया कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग के सेक्रेटरी उमर इस्माइल खान ने अपने प्रेसिडेंशियल एड्रेस में तमाम स्टूडेंट्स को मुबारकबाद पेश की और कहा कि डिग्री मुकम्मल करने वाले स्टूडेंट्स की जिंदगी में आइंदा के 25 साल काफी अहमियत रखते हैं। आइंदा के 25 साल स्टूडेंट्स की पर्सनालिटी को डिफाइन करेंगे। 25 साल की पढ़ाई, एजुकेशन के बाद 25 साल की जिंदगी का हर लम्हा कीमती होता है। लिहाजा स्टूडेंट्स डिग्री के बाद अपने वक्त को जाया न करें। ग्रेजुएशन डे के मौके पर उमर इस्माइल खान का नौजवानों को पैगाम। उमर इस्माइल खान ने स्वामी विवेकानंद, जमशेद जी टाटा की मिसालें पेश करते हुए कहा कि उस वक्त के विजनरीज की कोशिश, काविश, दूरंदेशी से आज हिंदुस्तान एक आला मकाम पर है और इस मुल्क को मजीद तरक्की की जानिब ले जाने की जिम्मेदारी हम सब पर है। खास तौर पर उभरते हुए इंजीनियर्स नेशनल डेवलपमेंट में अहम रोल अदा कर सकते हैं। इस यादगार मौके पर गौसिया कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग के प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर NS कुमार, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर एजाज अहमद, डॉक्टर दिलशाद बेगम, मोहम्मद जमर पाशा व दीगर मौजूद थे। इस साल कुल 214 स्टूडेंट्स ने सिविल, मैकेनिकल, इलेक्ट्रिकल, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, कंप्यूटर साइंस, M.Tech, PhD की डिग्रियां गौसिया तालीमी इदारे से मुकम्मल की हैं। तमाम स्टूडेंट्स ने यहाँ की टीचिंग, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, फैसिलिटीज पर खुशी व इत्मीनान का इजहार किया। जनूबी हिंद न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट।